If you want to restart your life, stop looking for a magic pill. You need a new system. Here are 10 rules to rebuild yourself from the ground up. 1. Wake up early with a purpose. Don't just wake up to an alarm. 2. Focus entirely on your growth. The world can wait. 3. Talk less and work 10 times more. 4. Keep your circle small. Growth is a lonely road. 5. Stay consistent, even on the days you feel like quitting. 6. Prioritize your own happiness. It's not selfish, it's necessary. 7. Eat for fuel. Take your meals on time. 8. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. 9. Stop scrolling. Stop living other people's lives. 10. Feed your mind only with positive content. If you're ready to start, comment day 1 below, and let's get to work.